In today's video, I'll show you how to enhance photos using Canva's AI sky replacement and color tools. You'll learn how to turn a dull scene into a polished, cohesive image by swapping the sky and adjusting the colors to match the new mood. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design, then upload your photo and place it onto the canvas as your base layer. Next, isolate the foreground so the new sky can sit behind it. Click the image, choose Edit Photo, open Magic Studio, and select Magic Grab. Brush over the parts you want to keep in front, such as people, buildings, or trees, leaving the sky untouched. Zoom in to refine edges, then click Grab to separate the foreground into a clean layer. Now add a better sky by going to Elements and searching for terms like sky or clouds. Choose a style that fits your scene, from bright midday skies to warm sunsets. Drag it onto the canvas, stretch it across the background, and use the layer options to send it behind your main subject. Position it carefully so the horizon looks natural. Once your sky is in place, adjust the colors to blend everything together. Select either the subject or sky, click Edit Photo, and use sliders like brightness, contrast, saturation, and warmth. If your replaced sky is warm, add a subtle warm tone to the subject so the lighting feels consistent. If colors are too intense, reduce saturation for a more realistic result. You can also apply quick filters for a unified look before fine-tuning manually. Review the final image and check edges, lighting, and overall harmony. With these steps, you can transform a flat photo into a vibrant, balanced composition using Canva's AI tools and color enhancements.